Hi, this channel has been hijacked by Chelsi, the wife of Rich Kid the Prince. Hold on. Get out of here, you old toad.
We gotta restart.
Why?
Okay, 27.
What's going on, you guys? I'm hijacking Rich Kid the Prince's channel today to bring you the unboxing of the Vivo X300 Ultra. This is the Chinese version. Is that what you call it? Global version? I'm gonna do my best. He thinks I don't watch these things. I do. So we're gonna get through the classic unboxing with a couple jokes about how they don't include enough supplies and accessories. And then we're gonna go through a little of the specs as much as I can. So yesterday was our 1-year anniversary, and that is a reflection of the best day of our lives, but the second best day of our lives is when the Vivo comes out. We are so excited about this. So we are most excited about the camera. We're gonna start with using Chelsi's mom's knife that she gave him for Christmas. And I think we're gonna cut somewhere around here. I think you're not supposed to cut toward yourself. And here I am doing that. And I'm not supposed to show a bunch of stuff on here. Okay, I think we're getting there. We're cooking with oil. He probably says something like, this is a nice little knife. And then we gotta shut this thing. Just got my nails done for anybody who cares. Tell me my hands are cold. Okay. Oh, we found the flap. Okay, ready for this unboxing? We're so excited for this camera. So I got this phone off GizTop. I'm gonna tell my wife it was $11.99 and $40 for shipping. It might have been a little bit more than that, but that's what we're gonna tell her. She doesn't care, actually. It was $11.99 with $40 of shipping. But okay, so we have your typical cardboard box. Xi Jinping moved this right over to us. We've got 2 things of styrofoam, which is nice padding for the precious cargo that they're sending to us. I might steal this phone from him because she cute. Okay, so here we are. We got this plastic. This is a 12 gigs RAM camera and 256 gigs ROM camera. If I didn't say this before, I got this from GizTop. Look how beautiful this box is. Ready? She's beautiful. Wow, that is lovely. Okay, we are going to use our little chopstick to get in here maybe. Nope, we're not. Okay, we're gonna try again. That knife is starting to rust, and I think it's because the wife in this relationship has been using it to cut some holes in some of her plants. Man, I can't believe he keeps these centered in between here. He's gonna come out here and catch me. I'm always the one that intercepts these phones. So if you're home, babe, you know, UPS is gonna come by. They're supposed to come by. Anyway, okay, so X300 Ultra Vivo. We're so excited. It has some letters at the bottom that unfortunately I can't read because I'm an Indiana idiot. So here we go. Hate that for me. Okay, so standard box, nice and cardboardy. It's pretty sturdy. I feel like I could throw it at somebody and it might hurt. Oh. Wow, okay. Starting off strong. So the weight of this box, hold on. The weight of this box is, if you get your scale out that's next to your nightstand and you get your scale out, this is probably 42 grams. And if it's less than 42 grams, then somebody is scamming you. So we're gonna take off this beautiful top, cute embossed wording, fancy, next level. We've got the beautiful phone. It comes with a little piece of paper. They just started off with a bang. They just lay it out there. There's no foreplay here. There's just straight to it. It comes with this little paper envelope. And what color did we get? What color did he get? We don't know yet. Still a secret. Okay, more directions that I cannot read, unfortunately. And here we go. Woochoo, it's mint green. She's cute. Okay, this does not spin. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those cameras. Looks pretty sexy, I'm not gonna lie. Wow. Beautiful. Like I said, this is a 12 gigs RAM and a 256 gigs ROM, and it was $11.99 plus $40 for shipping. That's what I'm gonna tell my wife. Bought from GizTop. Chinese ROM. Vivo X300 Ultra. These are the notes I've taken on this phone. And then you see, so we get the phone, and you know, they never really give you the rest of the stuff, right? For $1,199, you would think they would give you a couple other great tools for this phone, but unfortunately, we'll see. Well, let's see what they gave us, okay? So we have the phone, that's beautiful here, and let's see what's underneath the cover of goodies. Oh, they gave us a matching pistachio colored phone case. Okay, love that. It feels a little chintzy, floppy, but that's okay. He likes floppy cases. And then we have a little pamphlet in a language that I personally cannot read again. We've got a Super XL W-wide charger that will charge your phone in 2 minutes flat. We've got the lightning speed rod dot cord. It goes into that and then into the phone, and it charges it up nice and quick, nice and fast. You'll be able to get everything charged up and ready to go. We are super excited for this camera, and you have this little pin here. You know what the pin's used for, obviously. You know, the stuff and things. And so we got the pin, we got the cord, we got the pistachio case, and we got this beautiful phone. So not bad. They included a couple accessories, way more than Johnny Samsung includes for us. You know what I'm saying? So let's turn her on. Let's see if I can do it. We're holding down the second button and it beeped at me. Okay. Vivo, powered by Android. Android has taken over Vivo? I didn't know this. Is this new? So normally I'm the subject for these camera testing photos, myself and our dog Cash, and we're very excited. So nice opening screen, kind of looks to me like the iPhone did when I opened it. Oh, and somebody's trying to talk to us, but we don't know about what. Okay. And so now I'm gonna have to hand deliver this to my husband so that he can set this up and get it back to you for the full review. So tune in a couple weeks. He will have the full review coming out, and he will have lots of high energy and specs for you so that you get the full rundown of the Xiaomi. You'll see several pictures of us to test drive the camera, and thanks for letting me take over this channel. What does he say? Over and out. Nope. That's all for today, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.